Hi Sima, welcome. How's it going?
Hello, teacher. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. So could you tell us how did you decide to take this program, transition diploma program? Is there any story behind it?
Okay. Last summer, I want to take the course because I don't want to waste my time in the summer. So I made a course. It was at ئاوات ئەكادیمی, and it was about the brain activation course. And I want to enjoy, but first I looked at the feedback of the participants of the courses, and I saw all the participants are advanced of it, and I attend the course too. First, it was a little difficult for me, and I was a little tired, but after I benefited a lot, and after the brain activation course, I saw another course. It was a diploma course in translation, and then I want to learn English, and I was looking for a good place, and our academy is a trust place, so I decided to join the course, and I joined the course, and it's been 2 months. I have been a course, and I made a lot of progress in course, and the staff are very nice to us and answering the question about us, and that's make me to continue the course.
Okay, so can you tell us, have you made any progress? Can you point it out?
One of the part of my progress is now I'm talking in English. I used to be very afraid to speak up because I'm so shy and I very afraid to make a mistake, but I'm not now. And another thing, before I joined the course, I read a lot of novel English, but there's one problem I didn't understand exactly. But now when I read a book or read a story in English, I understand a lot of part of it, and I can pronunciation word well, and I can read paragraph faster, and I learned a lot of new words in this course. I made a lot of progress.
Yes, so you've made a lot of progress. It's just like you improved your reading, your listening, and your vocabulary, and you can read faster. It's great, and your pronunciation as well. That's great. So could you tell us what motivated you to start learning English at such a young age? Because you earlier told me you are at 8th grade, right?
Yeah. First, I loved English languages. I think that's because I like it to learn new languages, and my family also motivated me to learn languages. And for another thing, it was for my studies, for my schools. But I think my desire, my love it, motivates me to learn English more. And I think about my future. If I don't know English in the future, I can't find a job well. And that's why I motivated to learn English.
That's a great point as you mentioned it. So could you tell us, there are a lot of people out there want to learn English, but they say, I don't have time, or I'm a student, or I'm working. What do you say to them?
Before I joined the course, I said the same thing. I'm in school, and I don't have any time to learn English, and I'm studying in school. How I can study in the course and a school too? But when I joined the course, I taken a lot of time. This course, it's too easily for people because you can join the course at home. You don't need to go anywhere for the course, and it's will be taking a good time because you're in home. And online thing can do many things for it. You can learn everything you want in online, and this course is only online too, but it's so useful to join it. And yeah, if you join the online thing, you can do so many things.
That's amazing. So what do you think about that? Maybe there are, some people saying it's difficult to study online. Maybe they have excuses. So what do you tell them?
Yeah. It's difficult when the teacher staffs are not good or not answering the questions, but it's easy when the staff are good, like this program. This program is staff and every teachers are helpful and make you continuous the course. And if you have any questions of the lessons, you can question the teachers, and they answered you and telling you in good talking and help you to continue. And that's why it's this only, and it's too easy. Some of the course online are difficult because the lessons are too difficult, but this program make lesson very easy. That's why this program is different than other programs.
Yeah, that's amazing. You mentioned that the staffs and the teachers have made the program much easier, and also the structure of the program as well, right? Yeah, so do you think that everyone can take benefit from this program without maybe their age or their English level?
This program is start with the first level. If you know the alphabet from English, and now how to read some words, you can join this program, because this program is start with the first lesson. And I saw a lot of participants are advanced of it, and they are in first level, but they're advanced of it, and their made progress very well. I think everyone in every age can take this course.
So you studied English by yourself before, and you took English courses before. You told me that before. So how the first month for you? Did you take any benefit from it?
First month is a little difficult for me, but I learned a lot of things in it, and I joined a lot of course before, but it's not very made me very too much progress in it. But in this course, in 1 month, I made a lot of progress than other course I join it and take it. First month for me, it's difficult, but it's good when you learn new things, and the teachers is helping me so much, and that's why I made progress very well.
So why was it difficult for you? It is because you learned a lot of new things?
Yeah, I learned a lot of new words, and I listened a lot of words that I never listened it. I never listened it, but I learned a lot of meaning words, and I learned a grammar because in other courses they teach us grammar, but a little difficult, and they don't teach us well. But this program teach us well. That's why I think.
Yeah, so you think the grammar in this course is much easier, is much simpler, right? You can learn much easier.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sima, again for joining us. It's great.
Thank you for having us, teacher.
Thank you.